For a Virgo rising, ascendant, individual, the transit of Rahu in Aquarius, 6th house, and Ketu in Leo, 12th house, activates the axis of daily struggle versus spiritual release, creating a potent karmic cycle focused on health, service, enemies, isolation, and subconscious healing. This transit lasts approximately 18 months. Below is a detailed analysis. Core themes of the transit: Rahu in Aquarius, 6th house, amplification of 6th house matters, health routines, work stress, conflicts, service, debt, and overcoming obstacles. Rahu's disruptive energy in Aquarius brings unconventional approaches to problem solving but may trigger anxiety or erratic health patterns. Ketu in Leo, 12th house, spiritual detachment from 12th house themes, isolation, subconscious mind, dreams, foreign connections, hidden enemies, and past life karma. Ketu in fiery Leo may cause creative blocks, ego dissolution in solitude, or karmic release through loss. Potential effects and life areas: health and daily routine. Rahu in 6th, heightened health focus. New/chronic health issues may arise, especially nervous system, ankles, circulation. Aquarius. Unconventional treatments or tech-based health solutions, apps, AI diagnostics, could appeal. Work and service challenges, increased workload, office politics, or conflicts with colleagues/subordinates. Sudden job changes or freelance opportunities in tech, innovation, or humanitarian fields. Aquarius. Debt/legal matters. Rahu may trigger disputes over loans, taxes, or contracts. Document everything. Unexpected victories over competitors/enemies through unconventional tactics. Subconscious and spirituality. Ketu in 12th, spiritual awakening, past life memories, vivid dreams, or psychic sensitivity surfacing. Withdrawal from social life to seek solitude for inner healing. Hidden fears and losses, karmic release of ego attachments. Leo, related to recognition, creativity, or pride. Expenses on hospitals, spiritual retreats, or foreign travel. Creativity blocked, temporary loss of confidence in creative pursuits. Leo's domain. Use solitude to recharge. Relationships and enemies. 6th house, Rahu, conflicts with co-workers, tenants, or service providers. Attracting unconventional allies and overcoming obstacles. 12th house, Ketu, isolation from friends/groups, possible betrayal by hidden foes. Karmic ties with foreign individuals or spiritual guides. Finances and karma. 6th house gains, income from problem solving, healthcare, or technology. 12th house losses, unplanned expenses on therapy, travel, or charitable causes. Karmic lesson, balancing selfless service. 6th, with spiritual surrender. 12th. Positive outcomes possible. Mastering daily challenges. Rahu empowers you to innovate in health/work routines. Spiritual liberation. Ketu dissolves past karma through solitude, meditation, or dream work. Victory over enemies. Legal/work conflicts resolved in your favor with strategic action. Healing through service, volunteering, or holistic health work brings profound fulfillment. Challenges to navigate: health anxiety, hypochondria, or neglect due to Rahu's erratic energy. Workplace instability, sudden job shifts or misunderstandings with colleagues. Isolation and depression. Ketu in 12th may amplify loneliness or escapist tendencies. Hidden enemies, betrayal or gossip undermining confidence. Key recommendations: health management, prioritize stress relief, yoga, meditation. Address minor symptoms early. Rahu in 6th can escalate issues. Work and service, channel Rahu's energy into innovative problem solving, AI, data analysis, humanitarian work.